The best way to learn is by doing. Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, Martin here. And in this video, we're going to focus on two key features that every warehouse supervisor manager should view each day. So Stephen, tell us why these features are so important to start the day.
Absolutely, Martin. In this video, I will focus on capacity used per storage bin and the warehouse activity monitor. These two key transactions personally help me as a warehouse manager prepare for the day by viewing our potential supply chain disruptions and by analyzing the warehouse capacity health status. This video will demonstrate two key transactions that every warehouse supervisor, lead, or manager should really review every single morning to start the day. So this is something that I did and really paid dividends in the end. So the first is you want to take a look at your health as far as your warehouse capacity. So I would always go into LX04, enter my warehouse number, take a look and just get a high level overview of where I am with capacity usage percentage, how many empty bins I have per storage type. We utilized capacity usages, so the load percentage also meant a lot to me. This would give me a sense of where I could possibly move things. I could judge my inbound volume to see how much more I could put into each of these storage types. So really, we were in a state of very, very, very high capacity. So managing this, making sure that there was no bottlenecks, it was a big part of the morning function. Probably the most critical is going to be your warehouse activity monitor. So your warehouse activity monitor is going to be LL01. LL01, you'll enter your warehouse number. You have options here as far as entering movement type, storage types, etc. Or you could just go ahead and click right